We've learned from years of research and from young people that family conflict is often the biggest barrier for youth experiencing homelessness. With COVID-19, these frustrations, these family breakdowns were exacerbated. We saw more and more young people having to access emergency supports, more families saying, I'm not too sure how to parent, I don't know how to navigate. Conflict can start in many ways, frustrations can build. Families have arguments inside their homes, feel that they don't have enough resources or supports to be able to move through those. And it turns out that sometimes words are said like, you can no longer stay here, or you need to leave the home. And that leaves a lot of young people having to access emergency shelters, couch surf, or live precariously housed. We are supporting 10 sites across the country that have youth serving organizations that have implemented family and natural supports programs within their organization. Those programs are offering supports to youth and families who are at risk or experiencing homelessness. Our support looks a lot like meeting with them on a regular basis, supporting through reflective practice. We are operating a prevention community of practice that is ongoing each month that brings all of those programs and other community folks together to be able to have those conversations around barriers that we are seeing, successes that we are having. We also offer training and technical assistance that looks a lot like coaching. Many of the organizations that we are working and learning alongside have never had family natural supports programs before, and so really taking that change management approach throughout their organization and understanding why families and the generation behind the young people also need to be supported. The family natural supports model is the foundation for all of the work we're doing, whether it's in service or shelter, whether it's in group care, whether it's in transitional housing or housing first for youth programs, that we need to be including families, natural supports, caregivers, and chosen families for young people, and seeing them as part of the solution and not seeing them as a barrier or part of the problem. The goal of the family natural supports model is to ensure that young people and their families have strong relationships. So I see our goal as strengthening relationships, ensuring that young people and their families and their natural supports have stable housing, that they feel secure, that they have a safety net in times of stress, that they have somebody to turn to. The young people and the families that this project is supporting, I've had the opportunity to sit with and to learn from and to hear the impact that these programs and the services that the frontline staff are providing and how it has brought their families back together and how much help that it has provided. These programs are doing such valuable and incredible work by reconnecting families and providing them opportunities that I don't think many of them saw that was ever possible. And so my goal and the best part of my job is to hear how these programs are changing lives.